guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm feeling a little extravagant and I want to do my hair. I don't know what I'm doing, you guys, but I want to do my hair. Like, it's been like this for the longest time. I actually haven't done my hair since I got pregnant with Eliam, so I think it's time to do it. I need to do my roots. Or have I done my hair? I don't know. I don't recall right now. But I want to do my roots. I was thinking of going like a pink and then leaving the dark roots and just doing the pink. But I'm in the mood to bleach it. Like, I have nothing else to do. And it's like 8 p.m. and I want to dye my hair. So let's see how it comes out. The materials that I'm going to be using, it's going to be the Quick Blue, the powder. And then 30 developer for the bleach, mixing the powder, and this one. I have my little bowl here, my little brush thingy, and then I have this like little thing. This was for my breast milk, like when I used to like pump my milk out, but you know, that's what this was used for. But I use it to measure my bleach and all of that. And then something very important is I have really sensitive scalp, especially since I've been blonde for all these years. And I always do my own hair. And again, I'm not a professional. This is just the way that I do it. And this is what I like to use. Basically, what this does for me is if you have a sensitive scalp, you put it in your bleach, in your hair dye, whatever you're going to apply to your hair. This helps protect your scalp. So if it burns, like when you're bleaching your hair, you put this in there, and that's supposed to help with that. And I have so many of these because I believe they truly work. I usually get extras when I go to the little, and I think they're only like $1 too. But when I go to Sally's, I try to grab extras because sometimes they don't have any, and I really need these. Otherwise, my head is gonna be burning. I'm gonna want to take it off. So I'm gonna mix it really quick. Sorry if you guys can hear the AC because it's literally like right above. So you guys are probably gonna be able to hear that. So what I do is, I left one of these like measuring scoops also, like from the kitchen. I left it in here. So what I did is I scooped it up and then I just threw it in here. Tap it until it gets to 1 ounce. And on the directions it says to do 1.5 powder and then 2.5 liquid or the developer. So for me, that means 1 to 2 parts. That's the ratio, 1 to 2. I think that's how you say it. So basically what I do is I'm gonna do 1 ounce. Yeah, 1 ounce of the powder bleach. Drop it in here. And if I need more, I'll make more. And then I'm gonna do 2 parts. So 1 part of the bleach. And then 1, 2. And then I'm gonna mix it all up. And as you guys can see, I already put my hair down, so I already combed through it. Don't laugh at my comb because I couldn't find another one. Oh, and don't forget your little, it's called Sensitive Scalp Protector by Ion Color Brilliance. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit, I don't know if you guys can see, but so I put like 1/3 of the bottle. So basically what I do before I dye my hair is I like to wait until it's dirty hair. This is second day hair. If you can wait up to a week, I usually like to wait up to a week, like dirty hair. And the reason why I do that is because your hair or your scalp is, you know, it's gonna drop that oil. And that oil, the longer you wait to shower your hair, it's gonna get down to your roots, and that's gonna protect your hair from being damaged. But another good tip that I've been doing is I put coconut oil. If you have, if you know you're gonna dye your hair like in the morning, put it at night. Just drench your whole hair in coconut oil, and in the morning just put the, dye your hair or whatever, and you guys are gonna feel like it's soft, like such a difference. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. So I'm gonna mix it, get all of the little like bubbles out, make sure it's all incorporated in there. Okay, I'm back. Oh, sorry. Okay, so you guys, and I forgot to mention, you guys are gonna need gloves. But you guys knew that, right? Everybody knows that you're gonna need gloves, because if not, that's gonna burn the F out of your skin. So It doesn't have to be any special coconut oil. I just use this one. This is the one I have. And I keep it in my, like, underneath my restroom. The only thing is your nails, ladies. Like, look how much I got it. But you're gonna go into your scalp. And I usually just drench it. I'm gonna take off my glasses. And I'm just gonna, I keep looking over here because I have a mirror right here. Because I'm doing this in my, like, nail room slash closet. And as you guys can see, I'm literally drenching my hair in this. I would do it the night prior, just to leave it a little bit longer. I feel like it moisturizes or hydrates your hair. And I also apply it to the ends. Oh, snaps. It's kind of crumbling. And it's like falling on the floor. And I have carpet. Oil is gonna help with like your hair getting tangled. Because you know when you do your hair, like if you apply bleach, it starts to tangle up. Well, this is gonna avoid that also. Like, it helps you like comb through your hair while you're doing your whole bleach process. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this back, close it up, put it all over your hands, your feet. I just did my pedicure, so I'm gonna put the leftover on my feet. Okay, I also like to let this sit a little bit and it gets like poofy. See it? I'm probably gonna need more. Okay, so I'm gonna get my peine with the 3 pelitos and shit, and I'm gonna comb through it. And do you guys see how easy that is? I went to go change my shirt as well. This is like my hair dyeing shirt, so it has bleach all over the place, so I don't want to get my little black tank top full of bleach. I'm gonna part it in twos. I'm gonna start off with the middle. And I'm just gonna try to not put it on the scalp, but as close as I can to the scalp, right? And you're trying not to touch that blonde where you already have your hair blonde. You guys know I look like this? I just recorded a whole ass video showing you guys how to get like this, from that to this, and it wasn't recording. But you guys, I literally just did not record the whole process. I hope you guys understood what I kind of was trying to do. Like, all I did was part it in these 4 parts that you guys see, and everywhere that it was black, I would just put it and slide it, put it and slide. Today's the next day, and if you guys don't remember what happened, I did my whole hair and my phone wasn't recording. So I finished it off, as you guys seen how I was doing it, for like 5.3 seconds. But what I decided to do is I'm gonna do the second round and still show you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it here where you guys see like the golden tones, and then I'm gonna tone it to about this color here. So I changed it to my hair dyeing shirt. Do you guys see that? Like, it's super orange in some parts, but we're gonna fix that. So I'm gonna get my brush with the 3 pelitos, brush it. So as you can see, there's like different tones throughout my whole hair. Because why? I don't know. I'm just kidding. So you can see that the ends are like really, really platinum, and then the middle still has like some brown to it. I don't know, you guys. This is just how I do my hair. So hopefully it comes out good. If not, I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. I went in with the coconut oil last night. So after I showered, I brushed out my hair, and then I drenched my whole head in coconut oil. I slept with it, I braided it. But right now we're gonna do the color, basically a color correction. Is that what it's called? So I'm just gonna mix it. Get your gloves, don't forget your gloves. So what I'm gonna do, since I started with the front side yesterday, I know you guys didn't get to see because my freaking camera wasn't recording, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do it the second batch. Let me get my colitas. I'm gonna part it the same way. So right through the middle. I'm gonna look a little funny with the chongo right here, but it's because I want to separate it from the rest of the hair, so we're able to see all of this. Do you see when you pull it, you can see all of this? Yeah, that's what we want. Only going in on this golden part. I'm gonna start off with the top because that's gonna be the most noticeable, and we're gonna go through sections. So we're gonna do throughout your whole head. So you're gonna pick up a piece where the gold is. You're gonna apply the bleach, flip it over, apply the bleach. I try to not get it like on the blonde already, just because we don't want your hair like falling off. Do you see how this part like is already blonde right there? So I'll just go in here. But like I was telling you guys, I usually do my own hair. You know, sometimes it doesn't come out the way I like. Sometimes I have to be with orange hair. But I always get a lot of compliments on my hair. And who did it? Where do I go? And I always let them know, hey, like I did it, you know? And there's people that have even told me, do my hair for me, do my hair for me. But I'm not comfortable because, you know, I didn't study for this. And I have done people's hair. When I was in 5th grade, you guys, I freaking wanted layers, right? Well, my grandma supposedly knew how to do layers, right? Tell me why I came out looking like my hair had steps. Like literally like 1 chunk of hair, 2, 3. Like I don't know if that was in or what the hell, but I wasn't feeling it. So now that I'm done with this side, guys, I just make sure that all that yellow or all that gold has been coated. Obviously, I can't see the back. If you have someone, you know, ask them to check it out for you. I'm gonna show you guys how I do the front, because that's where the other video like kind of left off. Okay, you guys, I was gonna check in to show you like before the second round, but I just showered, I washed it off, I didn't put no shampoo, I just put a deep conditioning mask, and then I put some regular hair oil that I always use. So this is what it's looking right now. It did get lighter a little bit, the orange, but we still have that band across my head. What I would recommend is go in again with another, just right here in the same spot. Back here you still have that darkness. So what's gonna happen is when I apply the toner is gonna get, I'm only gonna apply the toner on that portion, but I'm thinking I'm gonna apply it first here, and then once leave that in for like 20 minutes, and then I'll do this part and then my root. Okay, so it is 1-to-1 ratio, which I thought that's what it was. So with this one, if you do 1 ounce of the toner, you do 1 ounce of the developer. So since I have 5 and I also have 15, the 15 is supposed to lift the level. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with half of this toner, mix it with the 15th developer, and I'm only gonna apply in that little area, and then I'm gonna go back in and do the roots and this little portion here with a 5 volume to not lift those areas, only lift the area that you want to lift. And I'm gonna hope that works. This is my first time trying it. With the toner, you're supposed to leave it in 5 to 25 minutes, so usually it's pretty quick. But let me get started. I'm gonna mix it up real quick and I'll be back. A little tiny amount of this. You're only supposed to add a little tiny amount. The platinum has like silver tones, but I want to give it a purple undertone. So I went ahead and I added the Wella 50. I only added to the Wella line, but we're gonna try this one out. So I'm gonna try not to tone the bottom half of my hair. I usually would tone all my hair, all of it. Like first, obviously this, and then I'll just bring it down. But I don't think I want to do that this time. I think I'm just going to focus on the top. So that's done. So we'll let that process. As you guys can see, look, you guys can already see where I applied it. It's already toned. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry, this is a long process, you guys. So like, take a whole like day to do this because it is a long process. I started last night. Mírame. It's already like 3 p.m. Okay, so you guys can start seeing how it started toning. So I have to kind of move fast, you guys. So I'm just applying this all over the places. Like on the top of where we didn't apply the... And then going in with the brush and just tapping the little hairs that you see. With this, I am trying to move fast and I'm not really being precise. So I'm just going in like this and then boom, 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 whatever's left over on the brush. I'm gonna go ahead and finish applying it. Wait the 30 minutes, go wash it off, and then I'll be back so you guys can see the final result.